Hello guys, so today we will be seeing that how we can create microservices based on Spring Cloud on Eureka registry server, and how the microservices use it to register and discover the service to call their APIs. So we will using Spring Boot based Spring Cloud APIs, we will use Eureka server for building the service registry server and the Eureka clients, which will be registered themselves to discover other services to the REST APIs. So basically, there are things which we will be focusing that which will create microservices. So here we will be creating a number of microservices, just like service registry. And Here I will be taking school and student example. So there will be services just like student microservice and a school microservices. So basically, if we are trying to understand the architecture which I will be focusing on currently is this one. So here basically, if suppose there is a Eureka server here, so yeah, if there is a Eureka server here, and this server is basically Eureka server is a JVM process which gives which gives instruction to the student microservices. So if you have registered itself in registries, then it will be going to the school student microservices like that. So student microservices, and other point we have taken a school, so it will go to a school microservices service. So if you will see that this registry is taking place here when it is going with that level and with respect to Eureka server. So here the things are moving like this, and certainly with respect to school also uh, the things will be delivered to the Eureka server only. So registration part is going to happen with respect to Eureka server only. So here will invoke the student services from here. The invocation will takes place. Uh, Invocation will be taking place from this part of the service, and and that will be registered in the on the Eureka server. So that's how the things will be moving towards this session. So where particularly microservices will invoke the student service case here. So here we will see that how the lookup is happening with respect to the service details, student services details, basically. So so let's move to the code side, that how we will be making that. So the standard requirement which I will be taking, that will be JDK 1.8, and I will be using Eclipse as an IDE. I will be using Spring Cloud, Spring Boot, and Spring REST and Maven. So if we further proceed towards that, then we will see that we just open our window with respect to Spring IO. So we have the we take a fresh browser, exactly. That will be cool enough. So you take it at spring.io. So this will initialize the our our Spring services. Uh, so you can you can just have this by making uh, uh, HTTPS start spring.io. So here it is. So here you can we can make in the group yeah, so here I just making an entry, and with respect to, because it's a Eureka server, we are so yeah, we make it um, just like yeah, Spring uh, Eureka server, and after that we will add the dependencies so that we can get the dependencies. So here we can add the dependencies. So we will need the web dependency first of all. So we will adding the dependency. So here we will be adding Eureka server. We will be needing it. So we will add the Eureka discovery server, basically this. And after adding this, we will be adding the acquitator also, so that uh, so here we will be adding the Spring Boot acquator also, so that Spring built endpoints will be monitored easily. So we will be adding Spring acquator here. So Spring Boot acquator is added, and all other things are also. So now we will just download it. So generate we just done. So here now this package has been downloaded. So in the next session we will see that how we explore the rest of the things with this package. So kindly like and subscribe my channel. We will take more into this services, and with respect to we will have in the next session. Thank you.